How to appeal age restriction on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to appeal age restriction on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. From the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. On your profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. A menu will pop up from the bottom. From the options, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, scroll down until you see Support and About. Tap on Report a Problem. This will take you to the Help section. From the list of categories, tap on Account and Profile. This section expands. Next, tap on Profile Page. From the options that appear here, tap on Other. On this page, scroll down and tap on Need More Help. A chat box will appear. In the chat box, explain clearly that your account has been restricted due to age, but you would like to appeal. Provide details such as your correct age and let them know you are ready to provide identification if necessary. Type your message carefully and make sure it is clear and polite. Once finished, tap Send. TikTok's support team will review your case and respond with the next steps. If they require more documents, they will inform you. Once verified, they may remove the restriction from your account. The process may take some time, so be patient while waiting for their reply. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to appeal age restriction on TikTok.